welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something quite new. If you guys can't tell already, this video is going to be a DIY eyelash extension at home. So if you guys want to see how I get these lovely lashes, then make sure you guys stay tuned, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below for me, and make sure you guys click that notification bell as well, as that lets you guys know when the next time I upload a video. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Now, the lash kit that I had purchased, it was actually from the drugstore here. Well, I mean, if you classify like Sally Beauty Supply a drugstore, I think it could be a drugstore. But I also know like not every Sally Beauty Supply, you know, is open to the public, just because I have heard some stories of other people saying, you know, like they can't go to their Sally's because it's only open to people in the, you know, the hair community and salons and stuff like that. So like that's just kind of like mind-blowing to me. But I know their sister store, Cosmo Proof, is only to hairstylists and stuff like that. So like that's just kind of weird to me. But yeah, so the kit I'm talking about is from Ardelle. This is the individual starter kit. And yes, so this is what the kit looks like here. As you guys can see, you go get some individual lashes. You also get like tweezers, which are made by Pro Tools, and then you also get a glue, and you also get a oil-based eyelash remover as well. Personally, I haven't been able to use the remover, so I have no idea how it works, but I do enjoy the longevity of the glue. So yeah, so unfortunately I didn't use these lashes. These were actually like the ones I have left were from the first time that I did the eyelash extensions, and honestly like they were really hard to put on, the lashes that are in this kit. But if you're used to putting on individual lashes, this will be a breeze for you, but I myself am not. So it was really quite hard for me to put these lashes on. Now, with that being said, these lashes that I'm actually wearing now are from the brand Salon Perfect. And these are actually like my holy grail lashes. So I use the Salon Perfect Wispies in the style 614. And this is the results that I got. And literally what I did is I just broke up the lash pieces into 5 to 6 pieces, which was a lot easier rather than using like 13 lashes on like one eye. So I did achieve like a really full lash effect, and I really enjoy like how much easier that the lashes were able to be applied, and you guys will see that in the video coming up. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started on the tutorial. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and get this video started. So just to make the length of this video pretty at like decent length, I have already done one eye already. So yeah, let's just go ahead and zoom right in, and let's just go ahead and get started. There we go, so just so that way you guys can see, and hopefully I stay in frame for the most part so you guys can see what I am doing. Like I had described in the beginning, this is literally like kind of like my second time doing my own lash extensions. Now I'm not gonna lie, the first time I did this, like it literally took me like 2 hours, but I really believe it's because of how the lashes are in the kit, because like they're just so small. But I think like for beginner it's honestly easier, you know, to do you know, buy like fake lashes and then just cut it up and then glue it. So I find like this entire process was a lot easier than you know, using the lashes that were provided in the kit. But that's just my personal opinion. I also want to let you guys know that no, I am not a you know, a professional, but I just really wanted to, you know, enjoy the summer, and I just really wanted to you know, do as minimal makeup as possible. And I think this is just literally gonna make my life just that much easier, you know, especially when I'm getting ready for work. And lately I've just been so tired, and it's like, you know, getting up 2 hours before I have to go to work just to put on a face. It's like, I don't know, I'm kind of getting bored of that. Also, like, my skin has just been so much better lately, so I've been a little bit more comfortable with my skin as of right now. So I'm just gonna take this lash right here. Now this is one that I had already pre-cut to where I would wear it with like falsies, so it's already like, you know, cut to fit my eye shape. So what I do is I literally am just gonna cut the lash into 5 parts. I'm pretty sure that's what I did with this. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. So I do pieces about this size, and that's why it's really nice with the wispies, because if you guys can see on the band, it's kind of like split up into sections, and it's just really easy. So I had cut the lash up into 6 pieces. And yeah, let's just go ahead and start gluing. So in the kit, this is what the glue looks like. It's just this little vial, so it looks just like this, and it says Ardelle and everything, you know, on there. And then I am going to take the tweezers part of it. Now you just want to be super careful, just because with the tweezers, you know, they are really sharp. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Now, when I go to apply the lashes, I do start from the outer corner and work my way in, and I just feel like that's the easiest way to apply it for me. But I think what I'm going to do, just because I had such trouble doing my eye, and I'm just making sure I'm in focus here, just because I'm going to be like looking down in my mirror. When I did my left eye the last time, it was really hard going like this way, so I might go, I don't know, we'll see how it goes here. Now literally I find what works best when it comes to, you know, doing any type of at-home, you know, lash extensions or anything like that, it's literally like just being patient and literally just, you know, getting it perfect as close as you can. So literally just gonna tip this vial right upside down. Now the glue is not gonna fall out, and you just want to put as little as possible on here. So I don't know if you guys can see the glue on the eyelash at all, but I literally just like dipped it right in, and that's literally all the glue you need. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna lay the lash down, let it sit for a couple seconds, and I'm just gonna push the lash down just so that way it meets my regular eyelash. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple seconds again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tweezers and I'm just going to, you know, like I would to curl my eyelashes, and then I just push my regular eyelash in there, and that's eyelash number 1. Right, and I just let it sit there. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the scent of the glue is quite strong, so if you guys see my eye is like kind of watering, it's from the scent of the glue. So I'm just gonna do piece number 2. Now, in all honesty, if I had like false nails on, I would literally, it'd be impossible for me to do this with my fingers. But I just find that it's literally the easiest when I do, but it's literally because like I'm so used to applying my false lashes with my fingers anyways. So I'm just gonna let it sit there, and I'm literally just gonna do like the whole entire process. Oh, and cool tip is that you literally just want to put them as close together as you can. You don't really want gaps, just because that's just gonna look really, really bad. But that's also the sole purpose as to why, like, I don't really like the lash kit that, you know, just because, like, it's so much work to even do, like, a look just like this. Like, I had to put, like, so much lashes on there, and it was just such a pain. Like I said, literally the trick is to not needing a whole lot of glue, and that's really the trick when you're putting on falsies as well, is that you don't need that much glue. Now this glue does dry quite quickly. I just feel like this way it's just so much quicker than like the first time that I did this. Like literally the first time I did this, it was about 2 hours, just because I was getting like so frustrated. And like the lashes themselves, like they weren't sticking, and it was just a mess. All right, so as you guys can see, I have 4 out of the 6 already on there, and then we're just gonna work on the bigger pieces here. Now you can literally customize this however you want. If you want to add more lashes, go ahead and add more lashes. Honestly, like this, it's just so customizable. You can literally do it however you please. Now my natural lashes themselves are like quite sparse, but they're really long, so like I don't know, I have weird lashes. So all right, last piece here, everybody. I would say, like, when you guys cut your pieces, try not to make them any bigger than this, if you guys can see that, just because it's gonna be really, really hard. So that is literally it. It's literally probably the easiest way I've done eyelash extensions. So this is what they look like, and I'm just gonna zoom you guys out here. So yeah, this is the final result. And yeah, I actually really like these 100 times more than the lashes in the kit. But of course, if you guys want more of, you know, a natural lash, you know, try the lashes out yourself, see which one is a little bit easier for you guys. But yeah, I would highly recommend this kit, especially if you've never done eyelash extensions. Like, I've never gotten mine done, like professionally done, so I really wanted to try them on my own. But yeah, I will leave a link down below where you guys can buy this kit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.